Wow, napakaganda ng place, guys. Talaga namang you are surrounded with a lot of greens. May huni ng ibon. And this property talaga nung nasa uphill. Plus, you've got a beautiful cabana and villas. This estate is steps away or minutes away to fantasy world. Alright? I know you are all excited to check out this property. So guys, please stay tuned. Good morning everyone, buenos dias, amigo, amiga all over the globe. Today we're going to explore this farm resort here in Lemery, Batangas. Alright, so before we start, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. You can message us on our Facebook and Instagram by simply clicking that link below on the description box. My name is Ray and let's begin this amazing house tour. Alright, so before we start, this is your driveway. So this driveway has a 6 meters wide with beautiful fence design. Of course, this driveway is attached to the 2-lane road. And right now, this is your main entrance. Okay? So anyway, so this property is located here in Niogan in Lemery, Batangas. It's a 20 minutes drive from Twinlakes down dito sa property na ito. And of course, this estate is minutes away to the fantasy world here in Lemery, Batangas. Okay, so this is your main entrance. By the way, this estate with a total land area of 13,000 square meters. This is a titled property and the estate has 5 modern villas. You've got nice swimming pool. You have a lot of fruit-bearing trees. The property is enclosed with a cyclone wire and this estate is hilly. Estate is selling in the market for 45 million pesos capital gain tax inclusion. But before that buying process, follow me Benji and we will check out this property. Okay, let's go. This is your driveway, by the way. This is your parking space or parking slot. So excuse mo na sa mga aso. So, oh my God, meron pa isang dog na maliit. Alright, okay. This is the state. And over here, you've got your wide and very spacious parking space. And to this side, you've got a lot of spaces wherein can accommodate more cars or more SUV. And meron silang mga napakagandang mga shack. And as you can see, you've got stairways which is taking you to the breathtaking swimming pool. Okay, so after the swimming pool, we'll check out the villas on that downhill side. Okay, let's go Benji. Wow, see? Anyway, this property is brand new, no? Kagagawa lang nito ng December. And fun fact dito sa property na ito, you've got a lot of fruit-bearing trees. Napakadaming avocado tree, napakadaming mango tree, napakadaming mga fruit-bearing trees dito sa property na ito. And napakaganda ng elevation because from this end, no, tanaw nyo na yung pinaka-ocean ng Lian, Batangas. Okay, let's go. Wow. See? Malinis na yung property. And right now, meron silang existing guests. And this is your breathtaking swimming pool. Wow, see? You've got nice swimming pool over here with 6 meters or 7 by 7. It's almost 50 square meters wide swimming pool. And right here, you've got your jacuzzi area or your bubble pool space, or you can turn this spot into a kiddie pool. See, you have a water feature, you have the water elements, and of course, no, walang problema sa tubig kasi you have the good source of the hydrosphere. Right here, you've got your beautiful feature, which is your Napa area. Wow, look at this one right here. So napakaganda, no? Napaka-solemn. And look at this place right here. Tagalamang napakaganda nito as a wedding venue or debut or birthday or any gathering or events. So napakaganda ng place because this is a overlooking with a nice view of the Lian Ocean. We're done over here and we will check out the houses. Okay, let's go. Aside from that feature, so you have a Napa area. Wow, di ba? Ang ganda. So napakaganda ng surface na to. So you can make this area as your alfresco dining, or you can put your outside or outdoor furnitures, chairs and table, or set of chairs and tables right here. Plus, you will enjoy that view of the greens, the view of the trees, and the view of that, guys, environment. Napakatahimik. And aside from this one, makikita nyo rin yung lote natin, no? Slope at hilly. Napaka-exciting. You've got a lot of surface na extraordinary. And right here, you've got your beautiful villas. Anyway, you know, this estate has 5 amazing villas. But before that one, right here, and we will check out this one-of-a-kind entertainment area dito sa property na ito, which is this beautiful feature. Guys, ang ganda. See? Anyway, so this, ito dami siyang fruit bearing. This one is bugnay, no? Masarap yan. Ayan, bugnay yan. Maasim yan. And masarap yan. Maganda yan sa tiyan. Okay? So, mayroon kang maraming mga fruit bearing trees. Anyway, may mga mangga na mumunga na. At the good thing is, this flat surface over here, pwede kayo maglagay ng magandang bahay. No? Additional cabana, additional villa. And mind you na this estate is brand new na, tumatanggap sila ng guests. So this property may income siya, no, last December ng 600,000 isang buwan. So just imagine you have the property and plus this property talaga namang generating. Okay? So right here, and ito yung pinaka property boundary, which is itong pinaka creek. Marami kang mga langka at maraming, guys, maraming bayabas. Okay, follow me guys. Careful kasi wala siyang gabay. And maganda, no? Kasi talaga mang tahimik. Okay, so we're done over here and we'll check out the villa. Very exciting kasi we will check out this modern villas right here. So again, to my right side, you've got your very spacious parking space, and over here is your cabana and your villa area. Okay, follow me guys. Wow, got beautiful design. So dito sa taas, anyway, so this is the half level and meron kang full level. And right here is the first villa. Wow, look at this framing, talaga namang very modern because of this clear glasses. So pasok tayo sa loob. Wow, see? Wow. So this is the first villa. So try to appreciate the beauty and the aesthetic in the design. So napakaganda rin ng designer dito because architect ang may-ari. So first thing, you've got your double size bed over here. Maybe this one is a queen size bed. So you've got a 2 queen size bed. You have a lot of vertical slots, designs, and overheads. You've got nice ceiling design, nice ceiling treatment. Plus, look at the floor finish. This one is 60 by 60. It's also a cement finish, but this one is tiles. At least this one is less maintenance. Anyway, so this estate is selling fully furnished. So lahat yan nakikita mo is included. Okay? You've got the AC with inverter with TCL brand. Of course, right here is your bathroom. Okay, we'll check this one. Wow, nice bathroom. So you've got your wash area, nice surface over here, nice water closet. Right here you've got your beautiful placement of your shower. So you have wall tile cladding from the bottom up to the ceiling. So also this gray finish tiles, talaga namang maganda. Okay? Nice. So this room right here can comfortably fit about 4 persons. And dito sa side dito, you still lot of spaces wherein pwede kayo maglagay ng mga cabinets. And of course, you've got your monitor over here. Now, we will check out the villa number 2. You also notice na dito sa mga steps, you've got a lot of solar lights. So, napakaganda ng effect na to during the night time. So, kasi you have the Villa 3 and Villa 2, in the event na may tao diyan, at least they are safe. Makikita nila yung mga steps. Okay? Follow me, guys. Okay. Nice again. Wow! Beautiful design. So, right here, see, you've got the bunk bed. You have this set, chairs and tables. Of course, you've got TCL brand AC. Of course, you have emergency lights right here. And dito sa side na to is your bathroom. Check this one. Wow. So you've got nice surface, wash area, the mirror over here, water closet. Anyway, no, this bathroom is complete. Talaga namang gagamitin nyo na lang. And this one is almost brand new. Okay? So we're done over here. And we'll check out the villa number 3. Another exciting room. So again, this is steps with solar lightings. So during the night time, safe and secured yung matutulog dito. Kasi meron kang ilaw. Okay, nice surface over here with beautiful view of that greens, that fruit-bearing trees, and the beautiful view of your property. And we'll check out the villa number 3. Wow. Okay? See? Ang ganda. Wow. So you've got this bunk bed. You have the chairs and tables. You've got AC. May plastic pa yan, no? Look at that. You've got your emergency lights. And of course, right here is your bathroom space. So you have this beautiful feature and the shower space. Ang ganda ng machuka tiles, no? From bottom up to the ceiling. And talaga namang very unique yung design na to. Okay? So we're done over here and we will check out the villa number 4. So again, no, before we head on to the villa 4 and 5, thank you so much to our listing agents and brokers for bringing us dito sa property na ito. So napakaganda when it comes to the elevation, when it comes to the improvement, when it comes to the fruit-bearing trees. Talaga namang look at this one, no? Avocado tree. So namumunga na, so mag-harvest ka na lang. Plus, you've got lot of spaces na wherein pwede nyong gawing restaurant or farm house or farm resort. Okay, right here is your villa number 4. Beautiful surface over here. Guys, simple but elegant. Okay, so follow me and we will check out this villa number 4. So, beautiful space, napakatahimik, napakalamig because you've got AC, nice ceiling design with beautiful headboard design. Of course, you've got a lot of ventilation. So this room talaga namang livable. So when you say livable, gagamitin nyo na lang at pwede nang tirahan. And of course, right here, you've got your emergency light, a monitor, and your bathroom space. Now check this one. Wow, ganda. See? See? Over here, you've got your shower space. Beautiful placement of the niche. You've got your water closet. Ang ganda ng mga water closet nila. Of course, you have the wash area and your vanity mirror over here. Nice surface. Also, the wooden elements, itong mga pinto nila. So, for the price of 45 million pesos, you've got 1.3 hectares property in this estate, 20 minutes from Twinlakes and minutes away to Fantasy World and Lemery. Okay, so we're done over here and we'll check out the villa number 5. Okay, so before we check out this final room or final villa, no, shout out sa ating mga buyers na nasa Canada, California, New Zealand, Japan, Western and Eastern country. Thank you very much for always tuning in our channel. And of course, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please make sure click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Anyway, this is the final villa, which is your villa number 5. But aside from this one, no, you've got a lot of spaces wherein once you are in the possession of the property, pwede pa kayo magtayo ng mas madaming villas, mas madaming cabana, and a beautiful dream home. Okay? Follow me, guys. Step up, and nice surface over here. Well, right to beautiful room. Wow! Talaga namang tahimik again. So you've got this queen size bed, nice headboard design with beautiful ceiling design. Of course, you've got chairs and tables over here with cabinetry plus this AC. You've got a lot of switches and outlets. Once you are in the possession, you can easily locate those plugs, those lines. And over here, you've got your emergency light and a monitor. Of course, you have your bathroom. Now check this one. Okay. Wow. So, you've got nice shower space, niche area, the water closet space with built-in cabinetry over here, plus beautiful wash area and a vanity mirror. Okay. Nice. Okay. So, we're done. Now, we will go over there to give you the recap of this estate for sale. Now, let's go. So again, no, thank you so much for always tuning in our channel, no, to give you the recap of this estate for sale. So this property with a total land area of 13,000 square meters, or you've got 1.3 hectares property. This estate is titled, the seller is alive, and this estate has 5 modern villas. You've got nice swimming pool over here. You've got a lot of spaces na can accommodate mga 50 SUV or more. You've got beautiful frontage and driveway which is attached to the main road, and this estate talaga namang compact when it comes to the fruit bearing trees. So you've got almost 30 avocado trees, you've got mango tree, meron ka pang madaming mga fruit bearing trees aside from the mentioned fruit bearing trees. This estate is selling in the market for 45 million pesos capital gain tax inclusion. So if you are interested to check out and buy this amazing, beautiful and extraordinary property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. So again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds that beginning.
Wow, napakaganda ng place, guys. Talaga namang you are surrounded with a lot of greens. May huni ng ibon. And this property talaga nung nasa uphill. Plus, you've got a beautiful cabana and villas. This estate is steps away or minutes away to fantasy world. Alright? I know you are all excited to check out this property. So guys, please stay tuned.